Right, today's been a bit of a disaster. It's been raining all night and all day, and Willie and I are now we're in Austria now, sorry. And we didn't get any video footage because the rain has been absolutely horrendous. It's been that bad that our comm system, our Cardos, one of them's malfunctioned. I think it's my one. So anyway, we're in Austria and we've decided to book into a hotel tonight and see how we get on. At least we'll get a good night's sleep for tomorrow, and we're going to try and aim for Cali in the morning. So awfully sorry about the lack of footage from Italy to Austria, but the scenery was spectacular, but I doubt the GoPro would have lasted. I know they're waterproof like, but I very much doubt it. If it's hammered the comms, no doubt it would have hammered the GoPro as well. So we're just going to check into this hotel and hopefully get a good night's sleep. Well, here we are at the Swiss border, and we're pushing on to Cali. We've still got 950 k's to go, so it's going to be a hell of a long drive. We've just had to buy a vignetta for Austria, a year's road tax, which set us back €45. So just one of these things, I suppose. I've got to suck it up. Fuel's just expensive here in Switzerland than what it is in Germany. Amsterdam seems to have been the cheapest for fuel on this trip so far, at €1.53 for super unleaded, and we've paid as high as €2.50 for a litre of unleaded. So it just shows you how much it's changing between the countries. So my conclusion is fuel's just expensive over here than what it is in the UK, if not more expensive. Well, we're going through another tunnel here. This one's obviously under repair, and the rain started to come down quite heavy again, which has been the whole of this second week really. Heavy rain. Yeah, the first week was all lovely, warm, hot sunshine. Hey ho, you can't have it always, I suppose. I've actually lost count on the amount of tunnels that Willie and I have been through. I reckon 40 plus. And obviously some of the tunnels were a lot bigger than this, wider. They were like highways through the mountains. Absolutely amazing. I think one of the longest tunnels we went through was probably about 10 k's in length. Don't ask me what one it was, I haven't got a clue. But that was a tunnel just before we got into Graz, just after we crossed into the Austrian border. Well, I think I'll be making a fuel stop shortly. I'm down to just under half a tank. And today we've so far covered about 160 k's. Still got a good few to go. Looks like we're hitting a bit of traffic. We're right down to 85 k's. And another underground highway. Very impressive, these tunnels, they really are, although this is just a short one. And that'll be the rain back on. Happy days. We did get a little bit of dryness back there, and I could feel the warmth. So here's hoping it's going to come enough in this shower. enough of the rain for 1 week. Well, I think at the next fuel stop, which will hopefully be very soon, I'll get a little look on the Google Maps and see exactly where I am. The problem we've got at the moment is the car doors aren't talking to each other. I can hear Willie, but Willie can't hear me because the microphone in my car door got absolutely saturated yesterday. So he can't hear me, and the car door, it can't take commands either. This is just another short tunnel, just under half a K. So I'll continue to push on. Highway underground. I got a flash for a trucker. I got a flash from a trucker. More than likely, no my luck. Do you think this is another toll? We're in France. Welcome to France. Oui. Scotland, England, Amsterdam or Holland, Germany, Austria, Italy, Switzerland, now France. Oh, I don't know. not got long to go. Right, that's us stopped for a cup of tea in France and having a little stove. It's handy as hell. So that's a little kettle there boiling away, and at first light we'll head off for the ferry terminal at Calais. So yeah, Willie's out sketching for somewhere where we can bunk down for a few hours. We'll just get the mats out and lie beside the bikes. Not that that'll be the first time we've done that. So yeah, Calais next. It's been a long day and a long ride. We've rode from Austria today, right through Switzerland and more or less all of France. So we have certainly knocked out the kilometres today. Anyway, next stop Calais.